Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your Redotpay virtual card to Google Pay. Now the first thing I want you to do is actually launch up your Google Wallet app and then come here at the bottom right, tap on add to wallet. I'll show you exactly how I did this. So tap on add to wallet, and on this section I want you to choose payment card. Make sure you're logged into the same Google account with your Google Pay. On your Google Wallet, tap here on payment card. And then we need to add a payment card. So you can go ahead and, of course, these are the ones that are existing. You just tap on new credit or debit card. And then you just line it up with the frame of the camera. Or you can click on enter details manually and just enter the account, number, expiration date, CVV code. That's all you have to do, and you will be done. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.